story that is dominating the news agenda today. Ahead of the grand oath-taking ceremony, probable cabinet ministers and other NDA leaders visited the Prime Minister's residence at 7 LKM for a cup of tea. And some of the big names returning to the fold are likely to be Amit Shah, Nirmala Sitharaman, Rajnath Singh, S. Shankar, Ashwini Vaishnav, Kiran Rijiju, and Mansukh Mandavia. Beyond these, as you can see on your screens, are some of the names from the NDA allies, such as Ram Mohan Naidu from the TDP, Lallan Singh from the JDU, Jayan Chaudhary from the RLD, H.D. Kumaraswamy from the JDS, and Chirag Paswan from the LGP. But these are just some of the names, It's important to note that these are the leaders the Prime Minister met right now. Many believe that this is, of course, what is going to be Team NDA 3.0. You could see Piyush Goyal, you can see Nirmala Sitharaman. Shivraj Chauhan on your screens is one of the big names to be a part of this cabinet this time after delivering 29 out of 29 seats in Madhya Pradesh. The former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is expected to get a significant portfolio as well. You could see Shobha Karandlaje as well, Dharmendra Pradhan. These are, many believe, the people, the men and women who will be joining Prime Minister Narendra Modi as part of Team 3.0. You also have a list of these probable candidates on the left of your screens, and you can see from these visuals the men and women who are likely to feature now. Now, this is, of course, they are expected to take oath for a third term at 7:15 p.m. But earlier this morning, the Prime Minister designate Narendra Modi went to Kartavya Path, paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat, where Gandhi's favorite tune, Raghupati Raghava, was playing in the background. Then he paid tribute to ex-Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee at his memorial as well. He also visited the War Memorial and paid tribute to our nation's heroes. Over 9,000 dignitaries, including leaders from neighboring nations, are expected to attend the ceremony. Several unsung heroes have received invites for the invite as well. Distinguished religious leaders from various faiths are also expected to attend the grand ceremony. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us with more details. Pragya, if we can focus again on the meeting of NDA leaders at the Prime Minister's residence here. Let's talk about first about the key BJP leaders who are expected to be a part, or at least the key senior ministers who are expected to be a part of Team Modi 3.0. We understand that Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Nitin Gadkari, and Mansukh Mandavia, these are just some of those ministers from NDA 2.0 are expected to be a part of NDA 3.0 as well.
You're absolutely right, and we got the visuals as well where Prime Minister is speaking to them. But majorly, all of them are saying that this is basically a meet and greet, and also they have been told to reach President House on time because there are many state of heads who had come for the swearing-in ceremony, and there could be many traffic snags as well. So they have been asked to reach on time. They have also been asked to bring their families and close ones together with them so that they can also rejoice this moment where their family member is taking oath as part of Prime Minister designate Narendra Modi's 3.0 government. Also, there are many cases like Chirag Paswan, Jayan Chaudhary, H.D. Kumaraswamy who are going to get solid portfolios is what we are given to understand. Also, we have been told that Prime Minister have told them that cabinet will take place before Council of Ministers, and it will take very soon. Council of Ministers can take some time. And also the portfolios are going to be distributed very soon. It could be also tomorrow evening that this could be done. But more or less, the people who are present, there are more than, I think, I have counted at least 40 leaders who have come. I may have missed 5 or 10 here and there, but we'll get the list out very soon, and we'll get the list of all the ministers who were present at 7 LKM, and they are going to be inducted in Prime Minister designate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Cabinet 3.0.
Pragya, let's also talk about some of the BJP leaders who will be expected to make their debut in part of the Prime Minister's cabinet here. Specifically, I'm talking about two former Chief Ministers, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Manohar Lal Khattar, Chief Ministers of Madhya Pradesh and Haryana in their time here. They were present at this meeting, whose visuals we see on our screens here, and it's expected that they will be receiving senior portfolios as well, especially Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who has delivered 29 out of 29 seats in Madhya Pradesh to the BJP.
You're absolutely right, because these are the two names that were doing the names for post of party president, but it seems that they are going to be inducted in the cabinet. A big portfolio can be given to both of them. Shivraj Singh Chauhan has been winning and has won with a very handsome margin. Madhya Pradesh has delivered excellent results. I think Shivraj Singh Chauhan is also rewarded for that. Apart from that, Manohar Lal Khattar, who has won from Haryana, has also got a position. Apart from that, there is Jiten Prasada as well. Jiten Prasada is a very fresh face. He will be inducted in the cabinet, is what we have been told. Many fresh faces, many young leaders who were present at 7 LKM today, going to be inducted in the Modi 3.0.
Pragya, and finally, we were speaking about allies at this point here. There seems, we've seen some of these faces from the different parties, Chirag Paswan, H.D. Kumarasamy, Jitan Ram Manjhi, part of it. Do we understand what are the portfolios they're looking at and what is the rank they're likely to be given, whether it be cabinet or MOS of independent charge?
Well, they're going to get very handsome portfolios is all I can say. I'm not going to speculate on the portfolios. The list will come out very soon. We should wait for some time. And
Okay, Pragya, thanks a lot for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you as we get more details about who's going to be what in Team Modi 3.0 ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. But for now, let's listen into some of the reactions that have come in.
महाराष्ट्र से रक्षा खडसे को महाराष्ट्र के कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, सांसद से हट के कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर बनने जा रही हैं। सरपंच से आपने फैसला पूरा शुरू किया था अपने करियर का, कॉल आया है पीएमओ से, क्या बातचीत है, क्या करेंगे आगे?
देखो, अभी वैसे कोई तय नहीं हुआ है कि कैबिनेट या स्टेट मिनिस्टर, अभी जस्ट कॉल आया है। अभी आगे जाके पता चलेगा ये सब क्या जिम्मेदारी मुझे दी जाएगी। लेकिन मैं मेरा भाग्य समझती हूँ कि आदरणीय मोदी जी ने मेरे ऊपर विश्वास दिखा के मुझे अभी ये मौका दिया है। देश की जनता का और हमारे क्षेत्र की सभी जनता के मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आज उनकी वजह से मैं तीसरी बार यहाँ पे सांसद बन के चुन के आई हूँ।
मोदी कैबिनेट का हिस्सा बनके कैसा लग रहा है? हिस्टोरिक विक्ट्री है प्राइम मिनिस्टर की भी और आपके लिए भी इस कैबिनेट का हिस्सा होना बड़ी बात
मैं
होगी।
वही बोल रही हूँ कि अभी तक ये तय नहीं हुआ है कि मैं कौन सी मिनिस्टर या कैबिनेट स्टेट या जो भी मुझे जिम्मेदारी दी जाएगी उसमें मेरे लिए देखो एक कार्यकर्ता मुझे बन के काम करना और आदरणीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में मुझे काम करना है। और आज मेरे जैसे जनरेशन हम पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि इस देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमारा भी कुछ न कुछ योगदान आदरणीय मोदी जी के कार्य में होना।
जानकारी जो प्रबंध व्यवस्था में लोग लगे उन्हीं को पता है। हमको जरूर 4 कार्ड मिले हैं कि उन 4 कार्डों पर हमारे परिवार के लोग, बाकी जो स्टाफ के लोग उसमें जा सकते हैं।
ये सौभाग्य मिल रहा है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ काम करने का पहले भी एक बार अवसर मिला है, फिर दोबारा से मुझे अवसर मिला है। इसके लिए मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के सभी मतदाताओं का और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि जो 10 वर्षों से काम चल रहे हैं उन कार्यों को और तेज़ गति देने में मैं अपना जितना भी दिन रात है मेहनत करके उस काम को पूरा करूँगा।
ऐसी किसी मिनिस्ट्री को लेकर आपके कुछ की कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री मिलेगी या कुछ डिमांड की आपको कौन सी चाहिए?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहा है क्योंकि मैं पहले भी मुझे पार्टी ने अवसर दिया है स्टेट में मंत्री रह करके, विधायक रह करके, ऐसे बहुत सारे विभागों को काम करने का अवसर पहले भी मिला है। और 2019 से पहले भी मुझे भारत सरकार में प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ काम करने का अवसर मिला है। तो मैं समझता हूँ जो भी काम मुझे मिलेगा उस काम को पूरी ताकत के साथ आगे बढ़ाने में अपना योगदान दूंगा।
Meanwhile, earlier in the day, residents of Varanasi, of course, the constituency from where Prime Minister Modi has been elected for a 3rd time, have showcased their excitement for Modi Sarkar 3.0. My colleague Ashutosh gets us this ground report.
काशी के सांसद नरेंद्र मोदी तीसरी बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। आज शाम 7:15 पर उनका शपथ ग्रहण समारोह है और इसे लेकर वाराणसी में तैयारियां तेज हैं। वाराणसी में जो गंगा प्रेमी हैं, जो स्थानीय लोग हैं, वो बेहद खुश हैं। और इस खास मौके पर आप देखिए कि वाराणसी के प्रसिद्ध दशाश्वमेध घाट पर इस वक्त गंगा आरती उतारी जा रही है। क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और मां गंगा का विशेष लगाव है और उन्होंने कहा भी था, टाइम्स नाउ नवभारत से विशेष बातचीत के दौरान उन्होंने कहा था कि मां गंगा ने मुझे गोद लिया है। और यही कारण है कि जो गंगा प्रेमी हैं वो इस वक्त मां गंगा गंगा की आरती उतार रहे हैं। और इसके पहले हमने देखा था कि यहाँ पर बाकायदे दुग्धाभिषेक किया गया और मां गंगा से यही कामना की गई कि जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का जो तीसरा टर्म हो वो और शीर्ष पर पहुंचाने वाला हो। उनके नेतृत्व में जो भारत है, भारत और ऊंचाइयों को छुए।